Hi there, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be another one of the trellis standoff series. Last time we made a little dragonfly, this time we're going to make a little flower, mainly from Cutlery. I've definitely put this in a beginners welders category, so if you're thinking of taking it up, this might be a good one to start with. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, please do hit that thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. Anyway, let's get cracking. So I'm going to start off with the centre of the flower, obviously to weld the actual petals to. And what we'll do is we'll leave it like this for now, so it's easier to handle, but afterwards I'll cut it off probably around about here, and that way we've got something to then bolt it into the actual brackety part that we're going to bolt into the wall to hold it on. So yeah, we also need to work out how long we want these petals, because obviously I don't really want the centre to be small compared to the length of the petals, so we'll see. This one, it'll probably be okay. Let's try that. Make them that size. Hopefully stand up now. Yep. It's going to be a really nice simple project. You beginner welders out there can do this, no problem at all really. Go for another 4. So yeah, I'm just going to place them sort of in the middle again of that. I think we need more though, don't we? It's not enough. So let's keep going and add another 4.